Hello everyone, welcome to the welding workshop. I'm Max Wamana. I'm going to be with you by performing a fillet weld in down hand position. Means 1F. T-joint in down hand position. So when you are going to perform a 1F or fillet weld by making a T-joint, we have to you have to make a setup of your plate and making a tack weld. After making a setting on your machine, you have, let us start by setting. That is setting our machine. After setting our machine, we have to make a setup of our plates, which help us to make a T-joint, but making a fillet weld. If I say fillet weld, you have to understand the welding which making in the corner like this. The joint we make here in this corner is what we call a fillet weld. But after making a fillet T-joint in downhand position, you have to understand that after putting the tack weld, you have to dispose it to make it your fillet joint in your downhand position. You have to understand that you have to put it on the proper angle or in order to perform a good joint. So let us start by putting a good tack weld. You have to strike your arc. After striking your arc, you have to put a tack weld. You have to put a tack weld on both sides. The tack weld must be enough strong. Yeah, this is what we call the tack weld. These are tack weld. You have to remember to wear your safety glasses in order to prevent to damage yourself the eyes. Then we're cleaning it by using a wire brush. After making the tack weld on our plate, we make sure that the tack weld are strong enough and not crack or break during the welding process. After making and checking if your tack weld is strong enough, you have to make a position of the joint in a downhand position, like this. You can say in downhand position, fillet weld is like it can be fixed like this. Our electrode angle must be basically the same as the angle you use when you are going to put a weaving bead. So let us start by making our fillet weld, our T fillet weld. So as you say, you have to make a weaving motion. A weaving motion is to traveling by side to side by making a weaver bead. So let us start. You start by striking your electrode, then you come here. So we have to remove the slag where you stopped your electrode, the smaller things. Then we continue by filling, by making now we have to make sure that the width of our weld is approximately the same as the thickness of our workpiece. After removing our slugs, we have to check if the width of our weld is approximately to the thickness of our workpiece. You have to clean where your bead. Now we have seen that our bead weld, our joint we make on these two pieces are approximately the size. When I say the width of the weld, you have to understand the size of this bead we put on these two pieces are equal or approximately equal to the thickness of our workpiece. The thickness of our workpiece is this. So you have to check if it is approximately to this weld you put in. After this, and after removing the slag and cleaning where, nothing special, only to check if all things you did is in good condition, and then you cleaning the working area. You have to close your welding machine. Then you make all things in good condition in order to continue the next time. Thank you for today, and thank you for your attention. See you next time.